Number one, construct a personal limitation checklist. What is that? I'm telling you, this is something I did very important in 2017. Spend some time and bring out certain deficiencies that you know that you have. What are those limitations that you have that if you don't deal with them as fast as possible, 10 years can come and pass and you have desire to be big and global and yet you're still local and non-existent? Construct a personal limitation checklist. See, be brutal with yourself. That's why point one is awakening and self-inventory. Be brutal with yourself. Construct a personal limitation checklist. Document, intellectual deficiencies. There are many people that you cannot sustain a professional industry conversation in your industry for more than 30 minutes. You cannot sustain it. You don't have the language power or the knowledge sophistication to do that. That's a limitation. It's a limitation. For some people, it could be intellectual deficiencies. For some people, it could be cultural deficiencies. You don't know how other cultures behave. You only know how your village people behave. Apart from that, you have no idea how Asians think and how their cultures, what their cultures mean. And I'm going to talk about cultural intelligence and why that is important to go international global. For some people, it is relational limitations. You don't know how to build professional relationships that can change your life forever. For some people, it is character and behavioral deficiencies. Sit down. Construct a personal limitation checklist. And the purpose of that is start paying the price to turn those limitations into strength. Number two, the second thing to do from today